President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has formally accepted the resignations of Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin and Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amenah Pangandaman. Both officials respectfully offered and tendered their resignations out of delicadeza, after their departments were mentioned in allegations related to the flood control anomaly currently under investigation, and in recognition of the responsibility to allow the administration to address the matter appropriately. The President conveys his deep appreciation to Executive Secretary Bersamin for his steady leadership at the helm of the Office of the Executive Secretary. The President likewise extends his sincere gratitude to Secretary Pangandaman, whose work at DBM strengthened the government's fiscal management, guided the timely passage of national budgets, and ensured that social programs and frontline services were funded and delivered.
Ma'am, you mentioned on Secretary Angara na kung ang paniniwala niya siya ay malinis, hindi niya kailangan mag-submit ng resignation. Following the same logic, applying it to former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin and former Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman, bakit po magkaiba yung application ng logic or ng treatment doon sa tatlong sekretarya? Does it imply that the former ES and the former Budget Secretary may somehow have a sliver of doubt in terms of their integrity, unlike Secretary Angara?
Liwanagin natin, wala pong pagkakaiba. Ang dalawa po, si Executive Secretary at si Secretary Mina, ay voluntaryong nag-resign out of delicadeza at gusto nila kung magkakaroon man ng investigasyon ay may malaya magkakaroon ng investigasyon. Ang Secretary Sani Angara, wala naman po siyang voluntaryong pag-resign. At ang sabi po natin, kahit po nag-resign si ES Lucas Bersamin at si Secretary Mina, nandun pa rin po ang tiwala ng Pangulo sa kanila.
Even out of delicadeza?
Secretary Sani Angara, I think that the question should be thrown at the Secretary Angara.
Around 2 p.m., balikan ko lamang po yung mga una niyong sabi. Around 2 p.m., the PCO announced you resigned out of delicadeza, sir. Pero sabi niyo nga po, hindi pa kayo nagsusumite ng anumang resignation letter noon. Yeah. Paano niyo po tinitignan yung hakbang na ito ng PCO?
Wala naman. That's the job of the PCO na mag-announce. Baka mayroong instruction to announce. But I just would like na ituwid yung news na nag-resign ako out of delicadeza. Magandang pakinggan yun pero hindi naman yan ang nangyari. Okay? Kung out of delicadeza na nag-resign ako, di mayroon sana sulat sila na lalabas. But they accepted nothing. They accepted not my resignation. Ang sulat na sinulat ko kay Presidente, pinirmahan ko lang ng towards the end of yesterday before I left the office to bring out my things. And that was the only time I wrote a letter. And in that letter, I did not even say I resigned. I only said that I am submitting myself to the President's discretion, to the President's prerogative. Wala naman. Hindi naman issue sa akin yan.
But was the palace announcement coordinated with you?
Wala namang tumawag sa akin before na may announcement. Nabalitaan ko lang na nag-announce sila about that time in the afternoon, 2 o'clock. I do not know if it was really 2 o'clock or not 2 o'clock.